Today I am here with a new video on Go level where I am going to discuss the global section. What is global section and how to use that in Go level. Basically, it is used on websites, panel, webinar. So let's start the battle. I'm going to show you with a website. So opening the website. Let's start this one. Home page and about us. Okay, I am opening the home page on edit mode. Always remember one thing, that we can only save the section in Go level. First come the section, that is green color, then come this row, it is a blue, then this is somewhat purple and it is the column, and then finally the module. So these are the stages of the builder to call any module. So, and this is the header sections that is already saved as a global. So this is the color of global. Actually it is light pink and this is purple. So these are the fixed color so that we can identify the sections, which sections and how they are using. Global means we can use these sections globally on the website for any pages. Like this is the header, and for the footer, that is also saved as global. If you click on the settings, you can see global footer, and if you click on the header settings, this is called global header. We can rename the global sections as per your need. If you want to add any module, here you can find the saved sections, global section, header and footer. See the list of the global sections, and how we can save a new global section. Like if you want to save, like if you have some common section in your website, like a testimonial slider or testimonial section listing or some review section, in that case obviously the reviews for your company will be a fixed data, and if you want to show the data on multiple pages, maybe home or maybe about us pages, or some contact pages, this could be in various pages as per your requirement. So in that case we don't need to do section multiple times individually. You can create that section individually for multiple times, right? We'll create the section one time and save as a global, and then you can easily call the global sections for different pages. In that way we can manage the sections from a single way. I mean, once we need some update on the sections, we can update one section, I mean any one page. It will be affected for all over the site where it is used as a global. So here see the save button comes for the sections. The sections already saved and deleted. Okay, this was already saved, deleted. Let's duplicate this one. Actually I already saved the sections for testing in previous. Might be there is some issues. Okay, let's duplicate and delete this one. I think this will work now. Yeah, so here you can name the section. You can name it welcome section. See, there is three types of section. normal save section, global section, universal section. So here is a global section. We need to select that one, save. See the change of the color of the section. It was green, but now it's purple. So it's saved. If you go to here, global section list, see welcome section is here under this list, and save the page. Now back, and edit the about us page. So we can have multiple pages for a website. So let's open. I'm just going to show you how we can use the global section and what is the importance. See, header is there, footer is also there, as we are using the global section. Now one second, let's preview the home page. This section, welcome to code battle zone. See the text. Now I'm going to call the global section that we have recently saved, welcome section. See, it's there. Now we are going to change it. Update it, just updated the line and save. So call the global section on about us page, and yeah, see the alert as we are updating the global sections. So callable gives us an alert so that we can recheck and update, because it will affect everywhere where we have used the global section. That's why the alert appear. So it's saved. Now see the home page. This is the home page preview. I'm reloading. See the update. So we have just updated to one line for a page. I mean, we updated the global section in about us page, but it is affecting also on the home page, because on the home page we are using the same global section. So this is the importance of global section. It's for the easy management way. Like there's various cases, so you need to use the same section in various pages. In that case, we use the global section. When we'll see that one section is using at least more than one, then we'll save the section as global so that we can reuse the section multiple times. And when we need some update, we can just update on one portion. It will be affected all over where we have used the section. So that's very simple. Now I hope you guys understood the importance of global sections, and obviously the global sections is only available for this website. Like for this website, if you go to other website, it will not be available. Like if you go to the another website, if we click on the home page, I have just opened another website. It's loading. Okay, save section, global section. See, here is the global section list, and there are 4 sections saved as global for this site. These are completely different from the other side. So global sections and also the saved sections, normally saved sections is something different for use actually, because normally saved sections we are just saving the layout so that we can just reuse the layout and just update the content. It is not global. Like we are like it's the layout, and we might require the layout to save and maybe we can use the layout for other pages. So in that case we can save the layout for the as like this way, the banner as normal save section, like this sections we like the section, so we can save as normal save section, normal template. Then sometimes in some other pages we might require something or some section like this way of this design. We can easily call that section and change the content as per the page where you have used. So in that case we will normally save sections or some sections if you want to save uh, like taking a backup of the sections. In that case we can use the normal save sections. So normal save section is different. So normal save section, global section, both are only available for the website where we have saved them, not available for other website or other platforms or other services. That's all. I hope you guys are clear regarding the normal save section, global section. I'll come with super global, I mean the universal section. I'll come with that. This is a new feature, and obviously I will make a video on that where I'll clear all these three and the differences of these three. So this is only for the global sections. I wish this is now clear for you guys, and what is the importance of global sections, that also cleared for you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will like the video and also subscribe my channel so that it inspire me for the next videos. And if you have any queries you can comment over the video, and also you can directly reach out via my email ID. I will provide that on my description. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on the next battle.